In this video, I want to explain how to make liquid soap. Precisely, we want to make 15 liters of liquid soap. These are the materials we are going to use. Starting from this end, like I said, we want to prepare 15 liters of liquid soap. So to begin with, we measure 10 liters of distilled water inside our mixer here, that is bowl for our mixer. And we have the stirrer here to mix it properly. Yes, to the material. This is caustic soda. This is sodium lauryl sulfate, otherwise known as SLS. We have soda ash, we have nitrosol, we have sulfate, we have tesapon, colorant, sodium tripolyphosphate known as STPP, sulfonic acid, booster, and fragrant. From the remaining 5 liters, to make up to 15 liters of what now? Liters number from the remaining 5 liters of water to make up our soap to be 15 liters. We take sufficient quantity of water to dissolve our caustic soda. We dissolve the SLS and we dissolve the colorant. The next thing is to dissolve the nitrosol in 10 liters of distilled water. Yes, this is properly stirred now, but please note that the addition of nitrosol into water must be added bit by bit while stirring is going on. Yes, the next thing is to add the soda ash while the stirring is still on, bit by bit. Yes. Todi, ó thick, ó thick, ó ńlá o. While the stirring is going on, the next thing is to add STPP. The next thing is to add sulfate while stirring is going on. While stirring is going on, we add the SLS. While the stirring is going on, we add the dissolved caustic soda. While the stirring is on, we add the remaining materials, that is the thickener, the colorant, the sulfonic acid, booster, and the fragrant. Thank you. Now the soap is ready. We leave it for 24 hours for proper setting. Thank you. After 24 hours, the product is ready.
If you found this video educative, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.